Good morning, everyone. Today I am here with the chapter 2 for class 8 microorganisms. As from its name, it's very clear micro means small, organism means organisms. So, what are microorganisms? When you will take a drop of water or when you will collect a sample of soil or scrape your tooth with a toothpick, when we will observe all these samples under a microscope, so what we will observe, we will observe some tiny structures which are present there in all these samples. They are called microorganisms. These are the images which you will observe when you will observe your slides under a microscope. That is the images of the microbes in pond water, images of microbes in soil, image of human cheek cells. So, what we describe about the microorganism, we can say that organisms that are so small that they cannot be seen through naked eyes, they can be seen only through the microscopes. They are known as microorganisms or microbes. And these organisms are very helpful for us and very dangerous because the name of the chapter is Microorganisms, Friend and Foe. That means they are friend also, they are friendly also, they are helpful also, and they are dangerous also. So they are having the impact on human lives in many ways. Some provide us food, others spoils food. Some causes diseases, others cure them. And the study of microorganism is known as microbiology. So where do they live? Microbes. Most of the microbes are hardy and can be found in almost any kind of environment. These are the such different types of environment in which they can find it. We can find them. Hottest of deserts, coolest icy polar regions, cracks in the sea floor, volcanic eruption, salty water, human body. So, as in the first line in the previous slide, I said that most microbes are hardy. Why they are hardy? They are hardy because they form a hard outer covering called cyst around themselves. They do this when conditions are not favorable. They do this to protect themselves because when the conditions will not be favorable, it will help us to protect them from the external conditions which are not favorable for their survival. And they survive by remaining inactive between this structure until the favorable conditions come again. Types of microbes. There are majorly five types of microbes: bacteria, algae, protozoa, fungi, and virus. So now these we are going to discuss about one by one. So first of all is the bacteria. Bacteria are simple unicellular living things. Unicellular means they are made up of single cell. Their body contains only single cell, one cell. Similarly, they can found almost everywhere, including human beings. But the rate of their growing is very fast. As one bacterium divide to form two bacteria in 10 to 30 minutes. And you just imagine 25 into 10 raised to power 8 bacteria are present in 1 gram sample of soil. So you can imagine that how much small size of that bacteria will be. These are the different types of bacteria. Rod-shaped bacteria called bacilli, spherical called cocci, spiral called spiral. So these are the three different structures which I have shown you on the screen, the three different types of bacteria. Next is algae. Alga, simple plant-like organisms that have cell walls and chlorophyll within the cells. They are also simple and they have cell walls that we are going to discuss in chapter 8 cell. Chlorophyll, you all are familiar with the chlorophyll, that they contain chlorophyll. What is the use of chlorophyll? Here they can be unicellular or multicellular. They are not strict to that they are unicellular as bacteria are. As they are having chlorophyll, so they can make their own food by photosynthesis. They have no roots, stems, or leaves. They are performing photosynthesis. It does not mean that they will have roots, they will have stem, they will have leaves, they will look like a plant or a tree, but that is not there. Almost all algae live in water, some in snow, some in hot springs. They also grow in moss soil, bark of trees, and rock surfaces. This is the structure of algae that you might have seen. The green growth often seen in water on the surface of wet rocks is algae. These are the